Hello and welcome to Instrukart, your worldwide instrument partner. We have got a differential pressure monitor which is offered by ACE Instruments, and this model number is AIDP1-1. So this differential pressure monitor primarily is used in hospital OTs, HVACs, laminar airflows, HEPA filters, mostly into the clean rooms also because of its enclosure. The material of construction, as you can see, is stainless steel on the top, and at the back it is MS powder coated, which is mild steel. So this is a differential pressure monitor and it can measure in pascals, mmWc and inches of water column should you require to choose. This one is for pascal and this takes between -500 to +500 pascal. It can also have a LCD display and TFT display as optional. This one is the LED display. Now it has got an alarm feature, as you can see, the audio visual feature, which has got low and high at the top and the bottom, which means that if the set point is violated, it will give the alarm in the clean room or the device wherever it is mounted. It can have an extension of audio-visual buzzer if required. Also, it has got a analog output which is 4 to 20 milliamps, which can be connected to the BMS or acquisition system. It has also got isolated RS485 Modbus communication. It has also got IoT communication ready for this. Now this device has also having a flexibility of connecting through the PoE or the Ethernet, which means that any communication option can be used with this device to connect to your acquisition system. We have the buttons inside this panel. To open this, we have to open this caps, and then we find 4 buttons where we can adjust the high and low, the password, set the password, we can do the offsetting and various other features which can be provided. The top we have acknowledgment, which means that this is a manual acknowledgement button in case the alarm is triggered and the manual intervention is required. At the back you can see there are hose nipples for the positive and the negative pressure. We have one input coming for the power, which is 24 volts DC. So it can be used in any country because the adapter provided along with works from 110 volts to 240 volts, 50 to 60 hertz. If we just do a bump test, by pressing we can see that the values are changing in the positive or in the negative. And this is how the alarm is triggered. Now it has got 2 times overrated pressure for the differential pressure. The medium used for this can be air or gas. It has got an accuracy of plus or minus 0.5% on full scale. So this one being operated into clean rooms with a less differential pressure range, it has got 4 digits, where the pascal is having a least count of 1, and in mmWc it can have 0.1. It can be combined along with the temperature and humidity parameters also. We have different clean room instruments, measuring instruments, which can have the temperature, humidity, the RTC, which means the real-time clock, along with this differential pressure. In fact, we can also have the ACH, which is air change per hour, for clean room solutions provided along with. For more information on this device and to talk to the technical person before buying, you can always reach instrukart.com. Thanks for watching.